Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I was sitting here making some more necklaces and I just finished this one right here. I didn't put it on camera because what I did is I strung it on some of that cable cord only because I wanted to see what it was going to look like first. I was a little iffy about mixing the pearls with these colors right here, but it actually came out pretty good. Not bad. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it apart and then I'm going to string it on the wire. And then I got the event coming up in September, so I've been working on necklace sets. And I think I'm going to be making some more like the one in the back right here. This one right here with these type of pieces right there. So I really like these. There's a couple I'm going to be making some earrings for. And I'm thinking even with these earrings, I might even make a necklace to go with these earrings, something nice and chunky, but I kind of don't like a lot of earring with a chunky necklace, and I'm just loving this right here. These dangle earrings, and this wasn't even meant to be a set. I just put it together like that, and it just happens to really look good together. So I'll probably will sell it as a set because I really like all the color and the way it came out. But this was the one I just finished. I really like the way it came out. Really pretty. And that's the thing. Pictures and video really don't do this thing justice. I mean, it is just absolutely beautiful in person. Like the richness of it. Just looks really, really, really pretty. Just really pretty. And I think all the colors really go well together too with the pearl. So this is the one I just finished. Actually didn't finish it. I strung it on the cable cord, so I'm getting ready to unstring it off of the cable cord and then put it on the wire since I know what it's going to look like now. And every once in a while I will do that. I'll use the cable cord to string something, like put it together just to see what it's going to look like because I don't want to use my wire up once it's done. I'm like, man, I don't like that. So there are times when I'm just not really sure what it's going to look like, and I will, I will do this. I string it, but I really, really like the way this looks right here. And I might even do one of those, just a bunch of mixed beads, and then make them like this, do them charmed up, and just put it together. So anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK, just sitting here getting some work done. And be sure to subscribe, be sure to like. Let me know how you guys like these necklaces like this, the ones I got all gathered with these charms. All right, we'll talk soon.